Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt buried under hundreds of emails in Outlook and couldn't find that one message you needed, today's video is going to save you a ton of time. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to search keywords in Outlook, the quick way so you can find any email like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred browser and go to the Outlook website. Click sign in and log in using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Outlook dashboard. Next, click on Mail. That's where all your inbox messages are stored and organized. You'll see your folders, categories, and message lists on the left, and your reading pane on the right. Everything we'll be doing happens here. Now look to the top of your mailbox. That's where you'll find the search bar. Click on it, and you'll notice Outlook instantly brings up a few options. To get more precise, click Filter or the filter icon, depending on your layout. This opens up advanced search parameters. Super handy if you're dealing with a crowded inbox. Here's the magic part. In the keyword section, type in any word or phrase you remember from the email. For example, invoice, meeting, or even a part of a project name. Outlook will scan your entire mailbox, including subject lines, message content, and even attachments, to show results that match those terms. Still too many results? No problem. You can refine your search even more. Combine keywords with filters like from, to, date range, or message status, like unread, flagged, or has attachments. The more details you give Outlook, the faster it finds exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Outlook's keyword search like a professional. This trick saves hours of scrolling and keeps your inbox workflow super efficient. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart productivity guides, and drop a comment below if there's another Outlook feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching,